CQ, this is a 77 Central Europe, Poland, 77 Central Europe, Poland. This is a 77 Central Europe, Poland, calling and standing by.
Hello, 77. Hello, 77. Lumberjack around the Great Smoky Mountains with a wave.
Hello, my friend. I read you 5 by 9 plus 10, 5 by 9 plus 10 in Central Europe, Poland. City Krakow, operator Adrian, Poland, Europe, 161 division. This is a 77 Poland. Back to you. Where are you from?
I'll tell you what, I hope conditions gets a little better. You sounded good that time around, so I'm waving my hand. I'm going to back up and be quiet for a few. You have a good one. Hope you and yours all well on that end. Lumberjack, the Great Smoky Mountains of Tennessee. We're back out of the way.
Okay, Tennessee, you have 5 by 9 plus 10, 5 by 9 plus 10 in Krakow, Poland. City, Krakow, Poland. Krakow is on the southern Poland, big city in southern Poland, Central Europe. What's your name, my friend? What's your name? Hello, Tennessee. This is a 77 Poland, operator Adrian. What's your name? What's your name?
Stardust, 777. They call me Lumberjack. They call me Lumberjack around these hills of Tennessee.
Okay, Lumberjack, Tennessee, your modulation very well. I'm pretty sure it's very good modulation, very deep, good modulation. My city, Krakow, Poland. This is a 77 Poland operator Adrian. My name is Adrian. My antenna is only 3-element yagi. 3-element yagi, Roger?
777, you have a good one. Getting kind of rough on my end now. We got others right on each side of me talking on the sideband. That's tearing me up pretty bad. Have a good one. Lumberjack in the smokes. We out of the way.
Okay, Lumberjack, your signal is very well. Modulation very deep, is very good. Skip to USA. I am in Central Europe. On Central Europe. This is a 77, only 77, no 777. I am 77 Poland, 7351, and good day for you and your family, Lumberjack. Roger? Lumberjack, delay. Hello, Tennessee, 7351. Bye-bye. See you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much.